My name is Dason Coyote Culver, and I'm a multidisciplinary artist from Albuquerque, New Mexico. This project is called Cultural Burn, and it's inspired from the two massive fires that we had in New Mexico last year. In response to these fires, I created an installation that would hope to bring up a conversation about cultural burning versus prescribed burns and how they can be a more effective way of maintaining our land. It takes a lot of different materials, but it's basically a forest installation environment. This installation is actually made out of spray foam or insulation foam. The rest is going to be natural materials like the mulch and water as well is used heavily. Through the Paseo, we held an event at Twirl here in Taos. This was a youth-based event where we were teaching kids how to create seed sculptures, as we called them. And we felt this was a good project for them to do because it not only tied into the idea behind the installation, which is kind of reforesting and growing your own plants and kind of taking care of the land. And so this was important to show the youth how easy it can be to create something that's not only fun, but also can have an impact on the world around us. So for this first round, we built the installation in a vacant building here in Taos. But for the Paseo Fest, we will actually have it set up in the Kit Carson Park. So it's going to be out amongst the trees, kind of in a more natural environment. And it'll be really fun to have people come out and see it.